Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset Word to default settings on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go into our search bar and then search for Registry Editor. After that, just click on Open. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do is to click on HKey Local Machine. So just click the drop-down button right there and then go into Software. So click on the drop-down button and then scroll down once again and then look for Microsoft. So let's look for Microsoft right here. So click the drop-down button once again and then look for Office. So once you see Office right here, what we're going to do is to click once again and then click on 16.0. After that, you will see this word right here. So what we're going to do next is to right click on it and then click on delete and then click on yes. Once you do that, just close this and then just go here on the search bar and then search for Word and then just click on open. And then once you do that, your Word will now be automatically reset to default settings. So that is basically it.